Jopuonjre mawuok e anyuola manyalo margi ni piny okwayo piny owacho mondo otem matek mar neno ni somo mag mbalariany obedo nono maonge chudo kaka yor neno ni gidonjo e mbalariany kendo chopo lek maggi. Ka giloso e kinde nyasi mar choko omenda mar siro somo kowuok kuom jasamaria moro e kar dak ma Borabu e kaunti ma Nyamira, jopuonjrego ma igeno ni biro donjo e mbalariany mopogore opogore e pachoka wacho ni pek mar ngima somo mag mbalariany ohingo nyalo margi. Bende gilero ni chochni e yore mag chudo pod owegi ka gikia hie omenda monego gichul e donjo e mbalariany.
Kasai, we are confused what to carry, which fee amount yenye tunafaa kupeleka for nini kama first year like freshers, because the help is not yet out, ndio tuone the amount yenye tafaki ya kulipwa. Alafu from home mambo ya shopping, we struggle to get something that yenye like kama ni maybe pesa ya nyumba, pesa ya transport.
Ninaomba serikali na kuwasihi waheshimiwa kwamba kabla ya kutupa sisi wanafunzi ambao tunaenda kujiunga na vyuo vikuu mwaka kutupa loan, ni heri watupe scholarship, kwa sababu hiyo loan pia sisi tutalipa hapo mbeleni baada ya kugraduate, na we are not assured that tutapata hiyo kazi ya kulipa, na pia the interest is high, so ni heri watupe loan kabla ya kutupa, watupe scholarship kabla ya kutupa loan.
The president has said the university education is supposed to be free. So we are waiting. He has not communicated the model. We are waiting because this is the first lot. Unless we wait, and they also give us a promise when students report to the university, we talk to the chancellors, they cannot send students back to their parents.
Serikali iweze kupea watoto scholarship ambayo watoto wasome ili wafikie kiwango ile ambayo wanataka kusoma wafikie.